Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Trespassing Girl Decides to Throw a Fit After This. It looks like she ends up with a spit mask on, so I bet you this is gonna be crazy. Let's get into it, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your stuff down. Put your hands behind your back. Put your stuff down.
Why?
I already told you why. Put your stuff down.
Bitch, what when I get out? What you doing? What you tell me first?
Put your stuff down. You're trespassing. Trespassing.
Okay, and why?
Stop resisting.
And why?
Put your hands behind your back.
And why, bitch? And why, bitch? Tell me right now before.
I just told you.
Tell me before.
I just told
Something
you.
going
You're
wrong.
trespassing.
Damn, why she built like that, y'all? Oh man, she built crazy, bruh. What the? Listen, not everybody is meant to be skinny. I'm not skinny, you know, but she built crazy though. Like that is like, damn, I'm ready to get put in a coffin type build. Like that's the oh man, that's a bad build, man. I don't know what guys is messing with that, man. God dang.
I already told you why. Put your stuff down.
Bitch, what when I get out? What you doing? What you tell me first?
Put your stuff down. You're trespassing. Trespassing.
Okay, and why?
Stop resisting.
And why?
Put your hands behind your back.
And why, bitch? And why, bitch? Tell me right now before.
I just told you.
Tell me before.
I just told
Something
you.
going
You're
wrong,
trespassing.
nigga.
You're trespassing.
Just told me.
You're getting a cop ticket. Put your hands behind your back.
I what?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm trespassing?
Yep, put your hands behind your back.
Bitch.
Put your hands behind
And
your back.
why? I'm getting arrested?
You're getting a cop ticket.
Bitch.
Yeah.
You're getting a good ticket. Oh! Hey, no te vayas, espérame, they give me a ticket. Okay, so hold the fuck up. Why you don't do the same thing inside?
Sit down.
He's saying, why you don't do the same thing? Why you don't do the same thing to him?
Stop.
Don't do that shit to me, bro. Don't fucking do that shit because I fucking hit your fucking box, bitch.
Do what?
Okay, don't fucking do that shit to me. You don't know who the fuck I am, bitch. You don't know who the fuck I am, bitch.
Stop.
What you gonna do to me,
Stop.
bitch? What you gonna do to
Stop.
me, bitch? What you gonna do to me, bitch? I'm asking you, what you gonna do to
You're
me,
done.
bitch?
Stop.
I'm done on what?
I just told you.
I'm done on what,
I just
bitch?
told you.
I'm done on what, bitch?
I just told you.
You told me what?
You're getting a cop ticket.
You
Yeah,
don't
we
have to
told
treat
you.
me like these,
Okay,
bitch.
I told you. You're
That's
coming
where
at me.
I live, bitch.
Are you gonna calm down now?
Why you don't do
Are you
the
gonna
same
calm
thing?
down now or no? Okay then you're not gonna move.
Do the same thing to the
Stop.
fucking- Stop, nigga. You're hurting me, bitch.
Okay, stop
Who the
moving.
fuck you think
Stop
you are?
moving. Are you done? Are you done?
Fucking me, bitch. I'm gonna take that troll. These bitches
Are
too
you
loud
done?
for your fault, bitch.
Are you done?
Shut the fuck up. That's your fault, bitch. I was trying to talk to you nicely. You don't want to listen? That's your fault, bitch. Fuck out of here with that shit. The motherfuckers is right there
Are you
for
done?
fucking hours, bitch. And you don't tell him nothing?
Well, we get in the back of the car. Yeah, getting crazy right now. Come on, you can sit in the back of the car.
What the fuck? That shit's stupid.
Want to sit on the ground or in the back of the car? You can calm down?
Shut the fuck up! Leave me the fuck alone!
Stop! Stop!
Leave me the fuck alone, bitch!
Stop! Yeah. Yeah, fuck that.
Okay.
Get in the car.
Where?
Get in the car.
Where? What y'all doing here?
Well, it's going to be custodial for resisting. Get in the car. Show custodial for resisting.
Custodial arrest for resisting on 103 at all.
Stop spinning! Do not spin my car, you understand me? You understand?
Shut the fuck up! Bitch! Fucking me, bitch!
Alright, get out or close the door.
You slow, you see, you slow mentally, bitch. Yeah. What's your name? You don't even know your name, bitch. What's your name? What's your name? Okay. Stop. If I don't want to, what, bitch? What you gonna do? Bitch. You're arresting me anyways, bitch, so fuck y'all. Hey, fucking clean my eyes. Hey, clean my eyes, I can open them. Hey!
this is like disgusting to watch. Like this is like, oh man, yo, what? And then you're gonna ask the cop for a favor, and you're spitting all over the place, like, and then you're gonna ask them for a favor. Really? You think that's gonna work? No, that is not going to work. They ain't gonna do nothing for you but make your life miserable. You know why? Because you're making their life miserable.
Bro, oh my God.
Ah, the fake crying.
Shut the fuck up! Oh, why you have to tell you fucking stupid motherfuckers? Oh, it's those last bitches, man.
Stop spitting.
Give me my fucking ticket and then I can leave, bitch.
No, you're arrested now.
Oh, well, fuck it then. Look, what you say now? I get arrested? Alright. Go fucking arrest your mom, dumbass bitch. Stupid, ugly ass bitch. Maybe the police. Yeah, you and your police killer, bitch. The fuck? Why you looking at me, bitch? Don't looking at me, bitch. You little retarded as shit, dumbass bitch.
Stop spitting.
If I don't want to, what, bitch?
Excuse me.
Stupid motherfuckers. Oh.
Are we calm down yet?
Shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to no fucking body. So shut the fuck up. Before I spit on your fucking face, dumbass bitch.
All over our computer.
What's up now, bitch? You think fucking little ass thing's gonna stop me? Now, bitch. Look at this bitch.
Why is your behavior like this?
Now what, bitch?
I'm running.
Excuse me.
Don't fucking talk to me.
Why is your behavior like
That's not your business.
Why is your behavior?
That's not your business, nigga. Shut the fuck up. Stupid bitch. Dumbass motherfucker.
Are you gonna submit to fingerprinting?
No, I'm not gonna do shit. No.
You're not gonna do fingerprinting?
And that's not your business. Shut the fuck. Go fucking kill yourself right now, bitch.
Okay, so you're not gonna do fingerprinting?
No. I don't wanna hear nothing. No. Okay. Hey, get my car. That's my car right there in the street.
Your car?
Yeah, my little car right here in the corner, in the light. For real. I'm gonna lose all my shit. Keep looking at me like that, bitch.
Can you stop?
No, if I don't want to, what, bitch? What you gonna do?
That's disgusting.
Kill me yourself in my eyes? Go ahead, bitch. Because that's what I want, bitch. Fucking kill yourself in my eyes, bitch. Because you don't got life.
Yeah, I think so.
No, you don't got life. You can't even go see your mom, bitch. I'm too busy. Go fucking kill yourself, bitch. Sneaking our ass, bitch. As low you can be, then you can eat. We got time for your family. Dumbass bitch, who has no bit. Yeah.
I'm listening to this and I'm like, dang. I know this video gonna get yellow marked. I know this video ain't gonna be monetized. All the cussing, oh my goodness, like, I'm like, oh yeah, I already know. As soon as I upload it, YouTube gonna be like, and I'm leaving it raw. You know what I mean? Like, I'm too lazy to be going through and beeping all the cuss words out. It is what it is, but I know YouTube gonna be, oh yeah, they gonna be like, what? Quiet.
Yeah, they don't like their family. That's why they're not with the family, bitch. I'm gonna go get some paper.
From inside for them.
Because what I'm gonna tell my double right now, you don't need no paper, bitch. You need some paper for your fucking eyes, bitch. Watch.
Hey, do we have
No, second, right? Yeah, that's it.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, get my car! No, my shoe! Get my car!
Better.
Her shirt don't even fit her. Just like a toddler. Just like a kid. Fake cry and whine. And kick their feet, have a temper tantrum.
Stop.
Cállate, hijo de puta! Oh, bitch, you better stop talking, bitch! Too, bro, shut the fuck up for real, bro. You think this is funny? This is not funny, bro. Shut the fuck up for real, bro.
Were you born in Illinois?
What?
Were you born in Illinois?
Not your business, bitch. For real, stop fucking talking to me, bro. Nobody gotta talk to me, bro, like that. Fuck you mean, bro. Fuck out of here with that shit. Stupid motherfuckers. What the fuck? Fucking gotta tell that to your fucking mom, bitch. Not to me.
You're gonna get tired doing that.
Yeah, she gonna sleep good tonight, boy, on that metal mattress.
Shut the fuck up.
You're gonna get tired.
Shut the fuck up! The fuck, bro?
What's wrong with your car?
Shut the fuck up, the fuck, nigga.
I'm trying to help you with your car. You had a concern about your car. Which one was it? The gold one? What's that?
Miss Cruz,
What?
you can cooperate with the intake process.
Okay.
What was that?
Okay.
That's a yes?
Shut the fuck up, then.
You're gonna cooperate with
Bro,
the
shut the fuck
process.
up before I can hit you, bro, for real. Shut the fuck up. You slow ass mentally, bro. Stupid bitch. The fuck?
Go ahead, step out.
Fucking touch me, bitch.
Step out.
Okay, get the fucking. Oh my god, bro. Stop,
Feet
bro.
forward.
Bitch. Oh my god, wait, you heard me, bitch. Don't fucking make me hit you, bro. I'm not fucking playing with that, okay? I'm not fucking playing with that, okay? Bro, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
She was charged with 2 counts of obstruction and criminal trespassing.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.